First grade skills unit 3, lesson 11. Spelling words of the week are brook, stood, booth, room, south, proud, shout, down. So now we are doing some chaining. I am going to change a letter to make a new word. The word is poof. I'm changing it to pool. What letter did I change? The F to the L. From pool, I'm going to change it to cool. What letter did I change? The P to the C. The word is cool. The new word is tool. What letter did I change? The C to a T. The word is tool. I change it to fool. What letter did I change? The T to the F. From fool, we change it to food. What letter did I change? I changed the letter L to the letter D. The word is food. I change it to mood. What letter did I change? The F to the M. The word is mood. I change it to moon. What letter did I change? The D to the N. The word is soon. What letter did I change? The M to the S. New word, brook. If I change the word brook to book, what letter did I take out? The R. The word is book. I changed it to look. What letter did I change? The B to the L. The word is look. I change it to took. What letter did I change? The L to the T. The word is took. I change it to cook. What letter did I change? The T. The word is cook. I change it to hook. What letter did I change? The C. The word is hook. I change it to hood. What letter did I change? The K. The word is hood. I change it to wood. What letter did I change? The H. The word is wood. I change it to woof. What letter did I change? The D. New word, tote. From tote, I change it to tot. What letter did I take out? The E. From tot to tout, what letter did I add? The U. From tout to gout, what letter did I change? The T to the G. From gout to out, what letter did I take out? The letter G. From out to pout, what letter did I add? The P. From pout to pot, what letter did I take out? The U. From pot to pat. What letter did I change? The O. From pat to pan. What letter did I change? The T. From pan to pain. What letter did I add? The E. New word. Hound. From hound to round. What letter did I change? The R. From round to bound. What letter did I change? The R. From bound to mound. What letter did I change? The B. From mound to mend. What letters did I change? The OU. From mend to men. What letter did I take out? The D. From men to moon. What letters did I change? The E. From moon to boon. What letter did I change? The M. From boon to boot. What letter did I change? The N. From boot to bout. What letter did I change? The O. Now it's break time. We're going to act out because these are our verbs. Let's twist and shout. Twist your body, shout something. Twist and shout. Use a fan to cool off. You're going to take a napkin or anything and cool yourself off. You're making it like a fan. That's an action word, fan. Cook a lot of food. We're cooking. Let's cook. Our verb is cook. We are cooking. We are cooking. Let's look at a book. Our verb is look. Shout your name. The verb is shout. Shout your name. Look down. The verb is look. That is something we are doing. Look. Act like a cat. What is a verb? The verb is act, because that is something we are doing. We are acting like a cat. We're going to count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Count down from 5. So now here we are going to read and we're going to answer yes or no for 11.2. Can a round spoon fit in your mouth? Number 2. Is there a couch in the room? Number 3. Are there big cats at the zoo? Number 4. Can you wave your hand to shoo a bug? Number 5. Can you count the books? Number 6. Is the ground down? Number 7. Is a cake sweet? Number 8. Can a mule cook food? So we're going to answer yes or no to those questions in 11.2. 11.3, we're going to print the words on the lines where they fit best. We're going to think of the stories we have read and we're going to answer the fill in the blank with the correct word. The frogs said, "We blank a king." The gods said the frogs were blank. The tame dog got his blank from men. The thin dog had to be blank. There was a splash in the blank. The blank were scared all the time. The black mule did not help the mule with spots with his blank. The man let the dog lick his blank. The mule put his blank on the man's lap. The man gave a blank and he was scared. So we're going to fill in the blank with the words in the word bank. The first word, hares, shout, free, brook, need, spoon, packs, food, feet, fools. Let's practice our tricky words. I, no, so, of, all, some, from, word, are, were, have, one, once, to, do, to, who, the, said, says, was, when, where, why, what, which, here, there, he, she, we, be, me, they, their, my, by, you, your, because. Remember, you can always pause the video and continue where you left off. Have fun.